Key Polymer's QP300 is a quick patch epoxy designed specifically for the repair of refrigerated trailer liners and FRP sidewalls. Typical QP300 repairs take less than an hour and involves 4 steps. 1. Bring up the temperature of the unit where the repair is being done to between 65 and 85 degrees. 2. Cleaning out the damaged area. 3. Mixing the QP300. 4. Applying the QP300 to the damaged area and allowing it to cure. QP300 kits contain everything you need to make small repairs to refrigerated trailer liners and FRP sidewalls. Your kit includes stir stick, plastic gloves, and enough Part A and Part B epoxy to make 3 quarts of QP300. Your kit also includes smooth and pebbled plastic sheets that enable repairs to match the surrounding panel, along with special bristle brush to easily transfer the pebble grain to the repair. For best results, take 5 minutes before starting to review the instructions that come with the kit. Here's how to apply Key Polymer QP300. Here we have a section in perfect condition in no need for fixing. Now it needs fixing, and here's how to do the repair. Step 1. Make sure you are working in the right temperature range. Before application, store the kit at 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 24 hours. If the work area is less than 65 degrees, warm the trailer beforehand with a torpedo heater or the unit's own reefer unit. The temperature must be between 65 and 85 degrees when you apply QP300. Step 2. Clean out the damaged area by removing any loose material. After cleaning the area to be repaired, tape the plastic sheet, either smooth or pebbled depending on the panel texture, up over the repair area as a flap. Step 3. Mix equal parts A and B, only making as much as you can use in less than 30 minutes. Use your stir stick to thoroughly blend the mixture for at least 3 to 5 minutes, depending on amount being mixed. Keep in mind that each kit contains enough QP300 to mix 1 quart. If the area to be repaired requires less material, scoop out equal parts onto a piece of cardboard or scrap wood and mix thoroughly. Step 4. Now you're ready to apply QP300. Use the squeegee from the kit to push it into the damaged area, removing any excess. Now, drop the plastic sheet over the repair and use the special bristle brush from the kit to impress the pebble texture sheet into the soft QP300. The spreader in the kit is used to even out the QP300 under the sheet if you are using the smooth sheet. Wait for at least 1 hour to cure and then gently remove the plastic sheet. Now, texture of the repair and the panel will match. Key Polymer's transportation products are distributed by leading trailer and parts specialists throughout North America. To locate your nearest dealer, or if you have questions, please call 978-683-9411 or email us at sales@keypolymer.com. For complete details on all Key Polymer products, visit keytransportationproducts.com. QP300 Quick Patch Epoxy, the smart, economical way to repair gouges in your FRP sidewall panels.